Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss Venn diagrams, that is B minus A. What is B minus A? B but not A. We read as B but not A. It is also read as B minus A. I have considered two sets here, A and B. So in that I have shaded only for the B region. So what does that mean? We have taken Venn diagram here B minus A, right? So that minus A indicates not A. So we have to shade only for the B region. Okay, I have taken one example here. If set A contains 3 elements, so 4 elements, set B contains 4 elements. So find B minus A. So take two sets and find B minus A. So what are the common elements from both the sets? 2 is repeated, 3, 4. Okay, so cancel those elements and whatever the elements left out in set B, that is result guys. Thank you for watching.